guys, I'm back with another banger, and today I am going to be exploring Monkey Mischief. So, yeah, he's alive. So, now you can go in the water, and oh my god, I didn't know you're not. Okay, so there's swimming mechanics. Just, no, I can't. I want to get back up. Swimming mechanics are really bad. Right. Okay, just. Okay. I can get used to this. Just please, God. Yes. Yes. Okay. So you can go inside rock. Moses did this, and yeah, I'm good. This island's weird. And then we have this, just a bunch of these, and there was actually like none of these islands before, so that's cool. Like, it was just a boat and floating crates. Guessing the new update, we just got washed up on the sea. No, really. And then here is another update. Now, I actually wanted to download the game that I am about to see, but I couldn't because of the sign. Now I figured it out. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, and before you couldn't even play. Like, you couldn't even play Monkey Mischief. You just in a black box that says servers pending. So there's really nothing you can do in here. When the update comes out, the final one, that it does say the next update, it should come out if you look in this crate. So anyways, I would suggest downloading Monkey Mischief, and see final update percentage 50.
No, we're running away from him.
Then, so that's pretty much it, and I'm gonna take a little swim. Hopefully I can get out. And this is the back hole, and if we go in that room, it still says servers pending. And so there is gonna be a black hole bundle soon, and I don't know if this was the last one because I downloaded it when it was just a black room. This was the last one, or if this is going to be the new one. Pretty sure that's the new one. Anyways, oh, what is that name? I'm sorry about it. Developer. Okay, so see, pending usage. Usage service pending. But yeah, black hole bundle, limited time, coming soon. Probably gonna be cool and stuff. Anyways, we're gonna go down, and yeah, this moves around. We're gonna go down with Tommy's. So subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 by the end of June. I'm sorry that I haven't posted in a long time. Yeah, and then this game's really good. Make sure you go download it when it's done updating everything. So here's Tom, and then you just pinch climb, and I did not plan this video. I just hopped into Monkey Mischief and said, I'm gonna make a video. No, we're gonna, is there any place you can get in? I'm gonna go in water. It gets so dark. Oh god, I need to get over here. No. Okay, so we're gonna try to swim to that island. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so. Okay, that was easier than I thought. Swim to the black hole.
It's literally me.
Okay, no, we can't do it. Back, 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 back. Okay, so was a very short video and very lame video. I really haven't been on here for a long time. I just updated, said I'm gonna get on, make a video about it, and yeah. So I don't think you can change your name. Mischief #2, and then pretty sure. Yeah, I have no clue. And then yeah, I'm like stupid. Yeah, these swimming cannons kind of suck, but Monkey. Okay, yeah, go download Monkey Mischief. It's an amazing game. Soon. I mean, it is right now, but not as good as it used to be when it was actually like good, you know. Yeah, it's just top. And yeah, so go download Monkey Mischief. It's a very fun game. And yeah, I'm pretty sure it's on App Lab. I didn't check, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.